Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl style Kitalashel. I'm back with another vlog. And y'all see it, it's getting empty. Okay, y'all know I'm packing. Anyway, before we open up this vlog, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media accounts, Style Kitalashel, on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Okay? And when you go over there to Instagram, you hit follow, make sure you join the broadcast channel because, baby, we be sharing the tea over there. Okay? Don't forget that. That's very, very important, especially if you like deals. Anyway, let's just open up this vlog right now. It is Saturday, and y'all see the mess. So I'm packing. We're backpacking, and I'm going to be packing. I'm scheduled to move like on the 21st, so I got to get to it. All right, so welcome. Stay tuned. We got shenanigans probably all week because that's what life is, a bunch of shenanigans. Anyway, let me put this down because it looks like I need to charge. Yeah, I do. Let's get this vlog popping.
1 week later.
Oh, it's Saturday. Don't ask me where the rest of the week went. I'm not even gonna lie. It's been crazy. Okay, so it's Valentine. So yeah, I'm gonna take y'all with me Valentine's. I'm gonna show you my Valentine's because I wanted to vlog about it if I get to go, because we have some people going to the new house that's working in a new house, and hopefully they are finished before our dinner reservation. And if they not, there won't be any dinner. Yeah, I'm saying, what's important, dinner or making sure my house is finished, because we move next weekend. But I'm gonna show you what we're looking at. We have made a lot of progress.
Who had been saying that? Who said that? Who said that?
This room is completely done. The attic is completely done, y'all. Finally, completely done. This room is really partial done. We just got to put some more stuff in boxes. These are working boots that I'm using, but we got to box some stuff. But we'll be packing all day tomorrow for sure. Anyway, that is what's going on. I'm trying to do my makeup. If we go out, I don't want to be rushing to do my makeup or something like that. So I'm definitely going to do my makeup. It is Valentine's Day. I want to be cute. So that's why I put on this red. I know y'all like, girl, you got on athleisure wear. I got it on right now because I got to go to my shop. So I'm going to do my makeup. I got like one client. I'm going to go to the shop. And then I got to meet the lady, wallpaper lady, at the house. And I have like an outfit that I was going to wear to dinner. So I do have something. I have something like dressy if we go. And then I got something like not dressy if we don't go to a restaurant. So I have two outfits. I kept making sure I kept like some red out, you know. That's in case for this moment. And I need to fix my curls. They like everywhere, y'all. These curls are everywhere. But this is like a wild style, so it's not fixed. So. But yeah, so hopefully we could go to dinner. And then if not, okay. So I'm playing a little music. Take y'all with me in my makeup journey. Y'all know I used to work for MAC.
Come on, me, honey.
I used to work for MAC Cosmetics for like 7 years. Did y'all know that? I don't know if I ever shared that, but yeah, I worked for MAC for over 7 years. 7 years I worked for MAC. That's a long time. I feel do this makeup. But I used to work for MAC, and that's where I met my best friend, Veronica. We worked there for years, and that's about it, y'all. I'm not supposed to makeup because I got to move and groove, okay?
Time will bring the real end about your brow. There'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me. Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you. I hope you feel the same. Oh, you played me dirty, you gave me so bad. Toy with my affliction, had to fill out my prescription. Come remedy, I had to set you free. Away from you to see clearly the way that love can be when you are not with me. I had to live, I had to live, I had to leave, I had to live. Love
Okay, y'all. I finished my chit-chatting. I did my hair. Now I'm here at the shop. And our windows are so cute, y'all. Look. It's so cute. The little Valentines. So cute. I mean, the windows are so cute to Mia.
Y'all like the windows?
Yeah, they're so cute. Oh, I forgot to go get y'all. Oh, I'm going to leave back out. I'm at Kroger's getting some Valentines for my team. So I'm going to get them something sweet and I'm going to break up some flowers. Uh-huh. How many is it? Red one. And then, let's get a cupcake. I think I'm just going to do these 2 cupcakes because I don't see any more Valentine cupcakes. That's when you got to be nice to people, y'all. So she going to make my cupcakes fresh. And I'm going to buy her Valentine's lunch today. Y'all know that? I pick up some roses and the woman did some custom cupcakes. And this is something I do. I get my team cupcakes and flowers. I just be wanting to be, if I was an employee and I work for somebody, I think about that's how I want to be. All right. Bought my girls some stuff. Yeah, why not?
Thank you.
Well, last time I sent lunch, so y'all went in school, okay? So, a rose for you, I guess for you, rose for you. Oh, y'all. Oh, these are so nice. Long stem roses for the V-Day. These are nice.
That's me right there. What?
Okay, y'all, I left the shop. I had a client. I took my people some flowers. And I'm back with long stem roses that all we gotta do is put in the vase. I love these roses because they long stem, y'all. And the stem is thick and it's pretty. And they're cute. These are so nice. So now I gotta put them in the vase. Put some water, vase, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, it's been really a long day. We had reservations at our favorite restaurant that we go to every Valentine's. Well, we missed the reservation because we got people working at the new house. And so we've been having to go back and forth to that. I don't know, it's just been a day. And then we was gonna not go. So then I was like, no, I got to give my vlog something.
What about me?
And then, why we can't have a date night? Sometimes date nights don't be planned.
Right.
So, they told us it's first come, first serve at this bar around the corner from where we stay at. And so, we just gonna go. If we able to sit at the bar, we sit at the bar. If we ain't sit at the bar, we get a table, whatever. But I know when you in God's favor, everything happens. So, we're gonna see what happens.
Let the church say amen.
And plus, we had a long day. I kind of want a cocktail. And I do have 2 gifts I can't wait to open. I'm excited. I love a good unboxing.
It's drizzling outside, but it's storming in my mind, and the clouds have found their way to my tear ducts. No, I can't keep holding on, 'cause the waves are way too strong and way too deep now. Don't wanna get out of your face, I'm the one who needs change. I just wanna dissolve for a minute. I know that what's up, nothing I'll afford it. All goes till the sun's down and the drinks come and I'm singing. I just wanna know if you ever really loved me, yeah. Oh, 'cause everything is different now and it makes me feel like I could dissolve. Trying not to think about it, but I need more than just a new distraction. Now you should say something back before I vanish into these walls. Baby, 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 I don't wanna just go till you float away, baby.
Just got home for dinner and I have like 2 more gifts. So let's unbox them. Alrighty. I'm still cold, y'all. That's why I got this jacket on.
I'm wearing everything expensive, everything exclusive, and everything icy.
Cindy said open the small one first, so. Got a little card.
I'll read them.
Yeah, read the cards.
Read them.
I love your face. I love your smile. I love the way you care. I love the way you hold my hand and how you always there. I love you everywhere I can. That's pretty clear to see. And here's the most amazing amazing thing you put with me. Happy Valentine's. Sydney.
I can't. Get out.
That's a nice card. Very thoughtful. Alright. Unboxing. I mean, you've been more excited about this gift.
Every day is a gift to me.
Well. Oh, okay.
Clock it.
Oh, you know it's good when you see the big clip. Oh my. I love a Van Cleef box. They really know how to make a sister feel special. Anytime you get Van Cleef, it's always gonna come with a travel. I love the way they wear out. It's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. It's a wrap. Tonight we will play a game of tic-tac-toe.
The fuck did he say? Did you hear what he said?
Really? You choose yours, but you is crazy.
Okay. okay. All right. Okay.
First of all, Sydney, stop
Don't do it.
with the shenanigans.
It's Valentine's Day.
Not it's Valentine's Day. Okay. It's this for me.
And
Stop playing. Okay. Anyway, that was my Valentine's Day, y'all. We went to dinner. Thanks for joining us. I'll be back tomorrow.
I'm
Mama,
through my money, baby. That's all.
the hot dog did what? Took you through the...
It took me through there.
Take me through there.
She going.
Okay, y'all. For real. Packing is ghetto. Let me show y'all. I got to put that in a suitcase. Moving stuff around. I'm proud. I'm tired, though. I'm so tired. So my team who came, they just left. We helped pack. It's my last week in my house. This will be the last Sunday in my house, okay? The next Sunday I'll be in my new house.
She ready.
But I definitely gotta come back, and they're supposed to be cleaning and doing all this yummy stuff. Do you understand all the shenanigans that was up in here? It's just too much. It's too much. I'm extra tired. Packing just takes a lot. But one thing was good about packing, if you pack organized, you will unpack organized, and you will start off in a good order. So I'm like trying to make sure I'm packing organized and labeling all the boxes. And so I'm drinking a slush, okay? I needed that. So that is what I am doing. Making sure everything's organized, lining up all the boxes, throwing stuff in the trash, just getting it some order. So I know what I'm doing. I'm right now about to make my bag like I would live from. So if you don't know, a lot of people know that, but when you're packing your bags, make sure you make you a suitcase that you can live from, as in like it's outfit, it's clothes, it's stuff that you can pull and wear, because everything's going to be crazy everywhere and you just want a working bag. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm about to pack up my working bag, like my joggers, my sets and stuff that I know that I can put on. And I want it because it's right now everything's over here, and I want to go through it and make sure I'm gonna be working from it, or if I need to pack it. But I'm definitely want to get out the way so it don't get packed up, because I hate to wake up in the morning then you can't find like a nightgown, you can't find like any type of clothing. So I was like, get someone else to do it, baby, and I'm gonna get myself to do it, and I'm finna pack this bag, y'all. Even though my room is going to be like getting unpacked very quickly, I still have to have clothes every day just to put on, throw on, and all that. Anyway, I just want to check in with y'all because let y'all know that's what's going on. Valentine's Day was so nice. It was so tea. And Sydney did like this song. You know how you can, it's an app that you can go on to and make a love song, like how y'all met and everything. He did this song. It was so cute. He did like when he first met me. I don't think YouTube gonna let me play it because they're gonna say like copywriting issues or something like that, I think, you know. But he did that app. It's so cool. You could go in and put all your when you met the person, all everything that you like about the person. He did it. It was pretty cool. I thought that was so cute. Romantic. I see him.
We see each other. We see each other.
All right, y'all. Let's close this vlog because I'm still packing. I'm just saying. Anyway, make sure you tune in for the next week vlogging because the movers will be here. We'll be moving to the new house. I'm vlogging everything, so stay tuned. Oh, my hair look a mess. Y'all don't see that? Okay, this is how you look when you're moving, all right? Anyway, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow Kitalashel on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All right, I'm out. I see y'all back. Well, I won't see y'all. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay, we'll be back with another vlog.
Be